Hey guys, if you're trying to play Valorant but it keeps losing connection and giving you the error code 5 message, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you some quick and easy ways you can fix this. It's actually a really simple one to fix. You would just need to go through each of these methods to find the one that works for you. So first thing we're going to do is head over to Valorant on our desktop here, and you need to right click on the Valorant icon, and we're going to come into properties. Inside of properties you want to head to this compatibility tab, and you need to ensure that disable full screen optimizations is checked. And you also need to make sure run this program as administrator is checked. And then we can press apply and OK to save those changes. We can then try launching Valorant to see if that's fixed the issue, otherwise move on to the next step. The next thing that we're going to do is try and repair our game files, and we can do this by heading over to Epic Games. And once you're inside of the Riot Games app, you need to hit your profile icon in the top right here and come into settings. Then select the Valorant app from this list of options, and then we can hit this repair button at the bottom here. As you can see, my game's all good to go, but if it does detect any problems, it will be listed here, and it will automatically repair that for you. We can then head out of this, and the next thing we're going to do is come to our start menu by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard, and you need to search for CMD. Then just right click on the command prompt and make sure to run as administrator. Inside of this black window, you need to type in the following commands. You need to type in net sh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Then we're going to type in net sh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. Then you're going to type in ipconfig space / release and hit enter. Then you can type ipconfig space / renew and hit enter. And lastly, we're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. Then we can close out of this command prompt window, and we can try launching up Valorant to see if that's now fixed the issue. If you're still getting the issue, the next thing we can do is come back to the start menu and search for System Configuration and head inside the System Configuration tab. Come over to Services and select Hide All Microsoft Services, and then scroll all the way down this list, and what we're looking for is a service called VGC. Now what we can do is we can just check this VGC box and press Apply and OK. And this is going to require you to restart your computer for the changes to take place, so just go ahead and restart your computer. And then we can launch up Valorant to check to see if that's fixed the issue. Now, the last thing we can do to fix this issue is come back to the Start menu and search for Programs. Tap on the Add or Remove Programs tab, and in the search box here we're going to search for Vanguard. And we're going to go ahead and uninstall the Riot Vanguard app just by selecting these three dots here to the right and clicking Uninstall. Then, once you've uninstalled Vanguard, you need to go ahead and open up the Riot client. And once you've opened up the Riot client, you're going to see an update next to Valorant, and we simply just go ahead and click Update. And that's going to go ahead and reinstall Vanguard to our computer. And that should have fixed any problems you're having with the error code 5 message. If you still are experiencing problems, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.